Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is May the 2nd. My journey to 50k. I'm currently at 141,098. So for the past week, I am down by about 0.17%, which is about 242 bucks. For the past month, down by about 0.16%, which is about 222. For the past 3 months, down by about 19%, which is about 33,100. And then for the first year, up by about 50%, which is about 47,000. So if you're new to this channel, on Sundays we usually go through all my portfolios so that you can see the positions that I'm holding, any call or put options that you should see on my end. If they are red, you should try and probably avoid them for the most part, because I usually try and get profit within the week and then let some expire worthless if nothing happens in the next week. So I'll just get straight to it. So if you haven't subscribed, please do turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that I can grow the channel faster. And let's get straight to it. So I have Viacom call option, Apple XOP, CleanSpark covered call, Zynga, XLP, Delirium, Fuel Cell, and SNDL. So most of them I'm red. The ones I was positive, I took profit. A few I'm hoping they'll pop probably next week. If not, I'll try and cut losses on some of them. The ones which I have until June, I won't be doing anything with them, but the ones for up to May, I'll be probably considering just chopping a few and maximizing my return or losses. So you can see I still have Tesla 70 shares, Etsy 100 shares. The stock has tumbled, so I'll also be checking a covered call. But they do have earnings, so I might decide not to do it just because you can't tell how earnings will go. IDEX 2000, Neo 150, Zynga 200, CleanSpark 150, PSEC 208, INAV 1000, NRZ 150, O50, Nokia 600, Delirium 200, RKT 100, CTRM 1000, CHPT 100, TNXP 500, CHEK 200, Tattoo Chef 85. I'm still trying to get to 100 for Tattoo Chef, so soon I'll probably be able to hit that number. PLTR 100. Hopefully I can get more funds to add into PLTR. It's a very high conviction play on my end. Zumerica 500, BNGO 200, BFLY 200, Fuel Cell 125, CTXR 700 is one of the penny stocks we talked about yesterday. Skills 105, Thunderbridge is a SPAC 400, ISR 400, Golden Nugget 150, Workhorse 100, APXT 350, ZSAN 2000, CCIV 225, and then SNDL 2500. And then I have Doge. I have 7,633 at the moment, so looks like I'm up 2,000. I had a question why not just sell off one of the positions which I have almost 5 grand and put it in like Doge. I could do that, but I think the maximum I would add to the Doge is up to 10,000 at least for now. It's okay if it balloons to whatever amount and I miss out, that's fine. But one thing to remember is when you're like a long-term investor, you don't want to take some crazy risk and put your money into other positions whereby they might affect your overall portfolio if things didn't turn out like you hoped for. If the company is solid, even if it tanks and you're a long-term investor, that's nothing to worry about. So you can just wait it out and you'll probably get your money back and some profit. But if you want to go heavy on speculative plays, that's up to you. Remember, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Let me know in the comments section what stocks we should add next. I have a list that I'm working through and trying to do some DD on. So in the next coming weeks, I'll be introducing some new plays that I'll be adding. I know the account is kind of overly stretched with a lot of positions, so the plan is in the next 2 or 3 months I'll try and sell off just a few penny stocks and maybe a few companies which I feel like they may take a minute to pop, and then put into like some conviction plays like Skills or PLTR, because I feel like PLTR, given several months from now, 6 months to 12 months, we'll be talking about something totally different in terms of their value. So I still very bullish in the market. Just be careful on any corrections next week. Also, it's big on a lot of earnings, so be aware that earnings are kind of tricky. People are moving money all over the place, trying to avoid sudden drops in prices. People trying to get the most, and cashing out and getting profit and moving the money to other places. So just don't freak out when you do a very good DD and things don't work out on your end. Just remember, earnings is a bit tricky for every single person in the market, and also the big guys, the hedge funds, are also trying to maximize their profits and move the market depending on whatever direction they want to move it. So just be aware of that, but we'll be talking a little bit about more stocks next week, so just tune in. Let me know in the comment section, like I said before, what stocks you want us to add to the channel. I'll be also kind of covering some tips that I've learned in the last several months, whereby I think there's a play I did last week that was in my Weibo account for Tesla, and I would like to kind of provide some more updates on how you can take advantage of some call options which have a very close expiry date, and how to protect yourself if you really were afraid of however the market was going to move. But let me know in the comment section and we'll chat about it, and I'll cover that in the channel, as well as I have a series of other non-stock related in terms of HSAs, taxes, just general investing strategies, whereby how to get money to invest and all that. So I'll be baking that in the next coming weeks or months, so that we can make this channel even more fun and interesting. But yeah, that's it for me. Have a great weekend. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.